Introduction to Skillibeng and his impact on dancehall music. Skillibeng, born Emma Warmington, is a prominent dancehall artist hailing from St. Thomas, Jamaica. Known for his unique style and lyrical prowess, Skillibeng has quickly risen to fame within the dancehall scene. His music often explores themes of street life, personal ambition, and social issues, resonating with a wide audience both locally and internationally. Impact on dancehall music. Skillibeng has significantly impacted the dancehall genre with his innovative sound and fresh approach. He has brought a new wave of creativity to the scene, blending traditional dancehall rhythms with modern influences, which has garnered him a large and diverse fan base. His ability to adapt and innovate has made him a standout artist in the genre. Popular tracks of Skillibeng include Break Pan Break. This track was a breakthrough hit, earning him widespread recognition and solidifying his place in the dancehall community. Crocodile Teeth, known for its catchy beat and clever lyrics, this song gained international attention and even caught the ear of notable artists outside of Jamaica. Mr. Universe, another hit that showcases Skillibeng's lyrical skill and ability to craft compelling narratives within his music. This track further demonstrates his versatility and knack for producing music that resonates with a broad audience. These songs have helped Skillibeng carve out a distinct identity in the dancehall world, earning him accolades and a loyal following. Personal life and interests. Insights into Skillibeng's life outside of music. Outside of music, Skillibeng maintains a relatively private life but shares glimpses of his personal interests and hobbies through social media. How he balances his career with personal life. Balancing a burgeoning music career with personal life can be challenging, but Skillibeng manages by maintaining a strong support system and prioritizing his time effectively. He often emphasizes the importance of staying grounded and connected to his roots, despite his rising fame. This balance allows him to continue creating music that resonates with his audience while also enjoying a fulfilling personal life.
I'm a simple youth, I just chill with my family.
Yeah.
And all our rims, you know? As you work so hard and you have a lot of things, so you just try to make use of what you have and just have fun. It's not all about nothing extra for me.